Hello everyone. These notes cover the rhombus. So, the rhombus is a quadrilateral with 4 congruent sides. You can think of it as a square that we've slightly tilted off center. Now, rhombuses or rhombi have all the same properties of the parallelogram in addition to the following. For starters, in a rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular. Let's say they make 90-degree angles when they intersect, such that segment MH is perpendicular to segment RO. This means that our 4 triangles created inside of our rhombus are all going to be right triangles. Additionally, in a rhombus, diagonals will bisect a pair of opposite angles. Segment MH bisects angle M and angle H, while segment RO bisects angle R and angle O. All right, now let's apply these properties to solve our questions. For these questions, I'm going to be working within these shapes, erasing on each one thereafter, but I will have the final answers written out over here for you to check your work at the end, or check your answers at the end. So, question 1. If the measurement of angle ABD is 60 degrees, find the measurement of BDC. Now, because our diagonals are going to bisect opposite angles, that is, say that side BD bisects angle B and angle D, and we know that the property from parallelograms states that opposite angles are congruent. That means then that these 4 angles are all going to be 60 degrees in measurement. So angle BDC is equal to 60 degrees. Number 2. If AE is 8, what is the measure of AC? So if AE is 8, what is AC? In a parallelogram, our diagonals are bisected by each other such that AC is equal to 2 times AE. So if AE is 8, then 2 times 8 is equal to 16, or the measurement of AC. So AC equals 16. Number 3. If AB is 26 and BD is 20, find AE. So AB, 26, BD, 20. I want to find my AE. I'll set that for X. If we look, this actually creates a right triangle that we can use for solving our via Pythagorean theorem. We know BE would have to be 10 because our BE is going to be half the length of BD because our diagonals bisect each other. So our equation would be x squared plus 10 squared is equal to 26 squared. Or x squared plus 100 is equal to 676. Subtract 100 from both sides. X squared is equal to 576, which then means if we take the square roots of both sides, x is equal to to 24. So AE, our missing side of that triangle, is going to be equal to 24. All right, number 4. If AE is equal to 3x minus 1 and AC is 16, we want to find x. Well, AC is equal to 2 times AE. So 16 is equal to 2 times 3x minus 1. 16 is equal to 6x minus 2. 18 is equal to 6x. Divide both sides by 6. We get x equals 3. Last one. If CDB is equal to 6y and ACB is equal to 2y plus 10, find y. So we have our CDB of 6y and our ACB of 2y plus 10. Because our diagonals bisect opposite angles and opposite angles are congruent, we can say that this measurement up here is also going to be equal to 6y. Now we have ourselves a little triangle. A triangle has 180 degrees total. And because we know that our diagonals are perpendicular in a rhombus, we can set up the equation of 6y plus 2y plus 10 plus 90 is equal to 180. Combine our like terms. 8y plus 100 is equal to 180. Subtract 100 from both sides. 8y is equal to 80, which means then that y is equal to 10. And there we go. Our 5 answers: 60 degrees, 16, 24, 3, and 10. If you have questions, please ask.